Alright, so that's your main power supply compressor that works off of contactor, and this is the one that is a inverter compressor. Last time on our visit I tested this one, and this was grounded. I'll test again. So that's just here, so you can see it clearly. So I'm touching this one to, you can see that's red to grounded, it's black to grounded, and that's white to ground is grounded. So this compressor is gone. Alright, next we are testing the inverter compressor. So we are checking the internal windings. It's U2V, that's 2.1, V to W 3, 2, 1.9, 1.8, and then U to W is 2.2, 2.4, 5. Okay, and now we're testing the ground. That's open loop U, that's open loop V, and that's open loop W. So this compressor is fine. That's it. So as you can see, it's about 100 volts. That means the compressor is fine and the inverter board is fine. It's just that one that is bad. Alrighty, so there's no voltage there. I'll check the other one. Nothing there. Nothing there. It's not good.